Hey, this is Ken Posick with Keller Williams, and welcome to our newest listing at 1551 Resolute Street. This property is 2,200 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, with an amazing layout. You're also located in the newest section of Celebration, which is Spring Lake, situated on a quiet mule right here and just a couple blocks away from the neighborhood amenity. So come on inside and take a look. One of the things I love about this house are the selections that they chose. From the wood plank tile floors to the crown and the extra lighting that they put throughout makes it feel light and airy, something that I know that you're going to enjoy. Having sold this model before, I know that buyers love the layout. You've got this open concept living, kitchen, dining space, and everything open on the main level. And as you come into the kitchen, they did a lot of upgrades. They have the upgraded cabinetry with the crown package on top, the pendant lighting, the upgraded countertop. And you've got 3-4 people that can sit at this island. So it's a really good functioning first level that I think you're going to enjoy. One of the best features is the loft and the bedrooms upstairs, so come on, let's take a look. Another thing that makes this house unique is this loft space. You can have it for an office, you can have it for a kid's playroom, and then it has a split level floor plan. So you've got the master over on this side, and then the other laundry room and 2 bedrooms over on this side. So if you're interested in living the Celebration lifestyle, having maintenance-free living, all of the community events and different pools and parks, give me a call today at 407-717-0197 or shoot me an email at ken@posickgroup.com and we'll set up a private showing. Talk to you soon.